Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have hands down the most exciting unboxing that I have ever done on this channel. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like this a lot, but today we do have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, this unboxing is gonna be unreal. Okay, so I have the most exciting handbag unboxing that I've ever done on this page. And I've done a decent amount of unboxings on this channel. You have no idea, yesterday I posted a vlog about this and I showed the vlog, the handbag, first, so that should give you some incentive to come watch my vlogs because y'all get to see things first. It's on the same channel, no separate channel, but I post vlogs about once a week. And as you guys know, I was so nervous the entire day up until receiving this package, like physically in my hands. I was sweating. I was so nervous. I was so upset the entire day because it was taking forever to arrive, and then I was also scared that it wasn't going to arrive. It was just a lot going on. Again, I can't believe that I own this bag. Cannot believe that I have this in my collection now. I've already looked at it, I've already taken it out. It's not a blind unboxing or like a true unboxing. I made sure to inspect this baby when I got it yesterday. And I know for a fact I'm keeping it. It is probably going to, or not probably, it is now my favorite handbag that I own in my entire collection. Let's just get started. I've kept you guessing long enough. So here's how it came. It looked much better when I first got it, but it had this little sticker. You open it like this. Now I did get this from Fashion File, as you can see here. So I did not get this like new directly from the store. It is still secondhand, but it was in like excellent condition that I didn't really care. So one thing that I do just want to give a quick little disclaimer before I actually show you the bag, because I know that these particular bags can be quite expensive, and I have said before that I would not buy one of these bags retail anymore because they're just so ridiculously expensive. And that's still true. So whenever you see this bag, when I show it to you, just know I got a really good deal on this bag. I'm still losing my mind that I'm so shocked as to how I got a good deal on this bag. And also, we did our taxes a little while ago. I'm honestly not sure when I'm gonna be posting this video. We did our taxes a few days ago when I'm filming this. And we saved up for taxes because we just didn't know how much we were gonna end up owing the government. And we were able to keep more than we thought we were able to. So we kind of split it 50-50 between me and my husband, and I put some of this money towards this bag, and then I also ended up selling 2 other bags previously, and then I do still have 2 other handbags that I have up for sale. So I'll have my Poshmark linked in the description if you did want to check those 2 bags out. So just letting you know, I was able to offset this bag pretty quickly. That's why I was even able to get it. So just know that I'm not over here just buying crazy expensive bags all the time, because I just can't do that. This was a very special situation. So with that out of the way, you're gonna see another dust bag. And whenever you see this other dust bag, you're gonna lose your mind. You guys know what brand it's from already, but do you know? You have to know. You have to know what kind of bag this is because of the dust bag. This is a Chanel Classic Flap bag, and this is from the 21P collection. So it's a few years old, but I've wanted this bag since it came out. Like, since I knew of its existence, I have wanted this bag, but I never thought that I'd be able to own it because number 1, it's really expensive. Number 2, you just can't buy it anymore. It was a seasonal collection. I only found one on the pre-loved websites. I'm sure there are more of this particular color, but this is the only one that I could find that physically said the year 2021 on the listing. All the other ones from Fashion File, the Real, stuff like that, they did not have the year. It was like year unknown. This one says 2021, 21P collection. Are we ready? Do you see it? Do you see it? feel like I'm gonna cry again. Like I cried when I got this bag yesterday because number one, I was so scared that I just wasn't gonna get it. I don't know why. I was making up so many like scenarios in my brain as to like why it wouldn't arrive. Someone's gonna steal it, which are very real situations, which suck. But I was just so worried the entire time. But guys, yes, this is my small Chanel classic flap. Again, 21P collection. And this is the one, the only caramel brown. This is the same bag that like Jesue Liu has. If you see her channel, she has this exact bag. I didn't buy it because she had it. I'm just telling you she also has this bag because I wanted it so badly. I just never thought that I'd be able to get my hands on it. Now this bag does have a couple of, I guess you could say, flaws. Maybe that's why I was able to get it for a good deal, but to be honest, the flaws are like minute. You can't even tell that this bag has flaws. Like it literally looks brand spanking new, and it comes with the authenticity card. It came with the dust bag, and then of course it comes with like the certificate of authenticity from Fashion File. Let me go over the bag with you guys. Here we go. Here is the front, and then I will be doing like a comparison between my vintage and then this new one. Oh, you know what? Let me just go ahead and cut this off because there's no way I'm sending this bag back. I'm definitely gonna keep it. So let me cut this tag. She's mine now. And again, on camera, it's like pulling a different color. Like I think the camera and the lighting is making it look super orange. It's not. It is like a beautiful kind of like milk tea, like latte kind of color. I'll show you in like a different lighting so you can see, but it's not orange. It looks kind of orange on camera, but here's the back with the beautiful Mona Lisa pocket. And then here's the bottom. The bottom is in really good conditions as well. And then of course you have the strap, and it's of course a double flap. So I will open it up so you can see here in a second, but here it is. Again, it's in the small size, so it's not a medium, it is a small classic flap. I've kind of actually become really partial, I guess you could say, to the small classic flaps. I kind of like them more than the medium now, not just because I have this one, but since I've had a medium in the past. I know I said before that I think the medium is a better bang for your buck. I still do believe that. So if you're gonna get a classic flap, I would probably go with a medium because you can fit way more. But I actually just think that the smalls just look better. I know that this bag also came out in a medium size, and I have been watching so many like reviews and unboxings of this bag. I like the small size the most, so I'm actually glad that I was able to find it in the small because I thought that the medium just looked like too much. I don't know if I'm making any sense. Okay, and then this does have light gold hardware, which I'm so happy about. You open it, here is the one flap, and then of course you have the double flap. It's just so freaking beautiful, you guys. And you can tell it does have a tiny bit of wear on the back right here. Like you can tell it's been opened a few times. It has been creased just a tiny bit. But again, this bag looks pretty much new. Like there's no issues with it. And then here's the inside. And this is the 31 series. The authenticity card right here does say 31 series. So depending on when you bought a Chanel bag in 2020, you either could have gotten a microchip bag that would have been in the later half of 2021, and the beginning half of 2021 they still had the serial numbers. So like the collection right after this one, I believe, started using microchips. So in case you're curious. Oh, also, let me just show you quickly one of the flaws on this bag, and I knew that it was there. And you're gonna say, are you kidding me? That's it? Yeah, that's really it. There's this mark on the inside, which I think must be like a pin mark. So that was one of the issues. And then the other one on the top here where the straps are, on this grommet, right there, there's like a fray. Can you see that? Like random fray? You're probably not gonna be able to see it. It's so minimal. This bag in my opinion, pristine condition, you guys. Like, it's like perfect. There's nothing wrong with this bag. Yeah, I'm obsessed with it. Oh my God. This is hands down my favorite handbag that I have in my collection now. And she's in lambskin as well. I love lambskin Chanel bags. I also like caviar. I have my eye on another one that I'm not gonna get. I swear, I'm not gonna get it right now. Maybe like sometime in the future or something. We'll see. I have no idea. Maybe next year after I do taxes next year. I don't know. But the next one that I was looking at is in caviar. So I love the lambskin though. It's so stunning. Are you joking? And then you've seen the inside. Let me show you what can fit in here because you probably know you've seen Chanel bags before, but this one again is small, so you can't fit that much. So I do have a little mirror, a Chanel mirror of all things. So I'm gonna put that in the front little flap right there, along with my hand sanitizer. This is like my Blackpink Touchland hand sanitizer that I put right in the little front pocket like that. I have my card holder, of course, and then that's gonna go in the big pocket right there. And then I have my headache medication. I actually can fit my AirPods. I don't have my AirPods with me right now. They're actually charging, but I can fit my AirPods right next to my card holder. But for the time being, I have my headache medication, and then I have a lip gloss. You can fit your phone in here. I just never put my phone in my bag. So I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I mean, I know it will fit, but then let me see if I can I would probably have to carry a card holder. If I really, really wanted to have my phone in my bag, I wouldn't be able to carry this Rosalie coin purse card holder. I'd have to do like a very slim card holder, which I might change. No, I love this one. I want to keep this for a while, so I'm not going to change out. That's all I can fit in there right now, but then just remember I can also fit my AirPods. Here's what she looks like. And then you can see my other two little things in the back down there. Guys, I'm just so in love with this bag. It's my favorite thing that I own, and I'm gonna be wearing it so much. Next time we go back to Italy, I think we're gonna go back probably in May to see Raf's mom again, just to kind of check up on her. This bag is 1,000,000% going with me. This is also a fantastic not every day, but this is a fantastic all year round. Spring, summer, winter, fall. This can fit every single season. I can't get over it. I love it so much, you guys. I'm so fortunate. I feel so like, what's the word? Like I have imposter syndrome because I'm like, who am I? How am I able to have something this nice? It doesn't feel real, and I'm so incredibly grateful, and I'm so happy that I am able to add this beautiful piece into my collection, and I'm never selling this bag. It will stay with me until I pass away or I give to my future daughter at some point. Like, I love it so much. Anyways, you guys, that's been my crazy unboxing of my Chanel, my small Chanel classic flap from the 21P collection. I hope that you enjoyed this video, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you like this bag. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!